Hi, this is Maggie Vo. I'm the Managing General Partners and Chief Investment Officer of Fuel Venture Capital, the venture capital fund based in Coconut Grove in Miami. We invest in mid-stage from early to late-stage technology companies.
Tell us a little bit more about your approach to looking at the early indicators when you evaluate founders.
Normally, we will meet founder after the company passed the first pass analysis because I want to know, to interact with founders. I normally really like to meet them in person. I try to determine if the founders have any unfair competitive advantage. So that's the number one. And the number two is all about the want factor, which is more like the attitude, the resilience, how passionate you are, and how energetic you are about the problem. The last aspect, the most important thing is they need to be able to show me the ability to execute.
What are some of the recommendations you have when you work with your portfolio companies when it comes to staffing, recruiting, and overall talent acquisition?
People have tendency to like people who are similar to them. I look at things a little bit opposite. I want to find the founders, or I want to find the people joining the team are totally opposite to me. Don't hesitate to hire someone totally different from you, and normally they will be the one who can remove a lot of stress from your life.
As a fund, are you industry agnostic, or do you have particular specialization that you guys like to focus when you evaluate certain companies for investments?
We go wide instead of going deep, and going wide have the benefit is diversification. The one thing different from public investing and private investing is the amount of knowledge that you have. You can try to do a lot of due diligence, but keep in mind that startup will pivot, will changing. So you want to invest and then accumulate more information, build relationship with founders. So that's why we're going wide, so that the diversification protecting us, non-companies can just bring us down.
I'm pretty sure you study different trends, industries, ideas on a daily basis. What ideas that really excite you these days?
I'm very interested in fintech. Now there's a trend that, in emerging market, they move from cash and they go straight to the mobile payment. They skip the whole credit card stage, which is very interesting. And most of the emerging market, they benefit from the new technology and they adopt it very fast. You look at any companies, they can turn themselves into a fintech. Doesn't matter if they are marketplace, doesn't matter if they are e-commerce. They will figure out somehow to sell and generate revenue from the fintech perspective, and which I find is a very optimistic trend.
Maggie, I can't thank you enough for your time today. It was a short but very insightful conversation. Thanks so much.
All right, thank you.